comes a rainstorm, put your rubbers on your feet. Comes a snowstorm, you can get a little heat. Comes la 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 love, nothing can be done. Comes a fire, you know just what to do. Blow a tire, buy another shoe. Comes love, nothing can be done. So don't try hiding, 'cause there isn't any use. You start sliding when your heart turns on to juice. Comes a headache, you can lose it in a day. Comes a toothache, see your dentist right away. Comes love, nothing can be done. So there was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eyes, but very, 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 very wise was he. And then one day, that magic day, he passed my way. And while we thought of many things, fool and kings, this he said to me: the greatest love you've ever known is just to love and be loved in return, in return. We three will all alone, living in a memory. My echo, my shadow, and me. We three, we wait for you, even till eternity. My echo and my shadow and me. What good is the moonlight, the silvery moonlight that shines above? I walk with my shadow, talk with my echo. Where is the one that I love? We three, we wait for you, even till eternity. My